before you can appreciate this session better, you must go through two important playlists. The first playlist that you must go through, you must practice, is actually the drop down list data binding concept. Okay, now what does this playlist do? It consists of various video segments that demonstrate how to go and use C# code to obtain records from a very special table. What is the name of this table? It's called department table. How many records do you see here right now? Oh, the first record is describing the department, sales and marketing. Second is finance, research. And then the fourth record, which is uniquely represented by a value of 7, is Slacker department. Okay, now several learners actually consulted me and asked me, sir, this is 7, this is not 4. Would there be a problem? There won't be any problem. Just make sure that it is unique. Make sure that the number is automatically generated. Okay, right? It can be 7, it can be 100. Just make sure that there's no two records having the same value like 7 or two records having the same value of 100. Okay, now, so the C# code will obtain the department records from this department table, and it would try to go and bind it to the drop down list. See here, see here. So in other words, if I actually try to go and come up with another department, and this department I will just say as pew pew department. Okay, pew pew department. So what will happen, right? Let me take a look at the web form. No, hey, there's no pew pew department. Of course lah. Refresh the web form, can or not, right? So you notice that, right? Pew pew department is shown. So do I need to modify any code at all in order to go and show more departments inside the drop down list? No need, no need. All I need is just to go and add the records inside the database table department, right? So this is what we call database driven, and this playlist demonstrates the concept on how to go and deliver such functionality. It is important, you must go through first. Okay, now what is another playlist that you must go through first? That is the add staff record lesson demo. It is also consists of several video segments that will actually allow you to go and develop a web form. This web form is actually allowing the user to create a staff record, and at the same time the user can actually specify to which department this new staff is attached to. For example, here I'm describing, let's say Billy, right, whom date of birth is 20th of September 20. Wow, that's a very young Billy. Okay, let's just say that 2000. Okay, so in other words, he is born in year 2000, September 20th of September, and he is going to be attached to research. Then I click save. What will happen? One record has been created. The web form is finally working so that I can whatever, right? So if I check the staff table, notice that I'm right clicking on the staff table. I select edit top 200 rows. Billy is shown inside here. Notice that Billy is shown inside here, right? So this web form allows the user to go and add new staff record, and the coding concept are all demonstrated inside the add staff record lesson demo. You don't just watch the YouTube lessons, you must follow the instructions and work on it. If I go too fast, can't you replay? Okay, you must go through, you must practice. If not, just try to apply your imagination that I'm going to strangle you. Okay, now let's continue. You see, the thing is that these two playlists actually uses two separate projects. The first project is let me see, this is the add staff record lesson demo. It uses the project called experiment data management, and if you had followed through whatever that has been demonstrated inside the playlist, you should be able to develop ADM add staff.aspx. You should be able to go and provide all the necessary functionalities inside the code behind file. You should have done the C staff manager.cs class file. Everything should be done nice. Everything should be working. Don't tell me you can't do it. You must try to go and try, and then after that explain to me what went wrong, what you have attempted, so that I can appreciate your effort, so that I can help more. If not, okay, I'd rather go and queue up for Yong Tau Hu. Come now, next, what has happened in the other playlist? Let me take a look. Oh, drop down list data binding concept. Did I use the same project called experiment data management? No, 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 no. I actually applied another project called, whoops, one moment, cancel. Another project called experiment drop down list underscore data binding concept. Okay, so this is used for the drop down list data binding concept playlist here. Now there is one issue. Some students who may be having MC or whatever, then he didn't come. They say, sir, how to go and create a project? How to go and create a project? Please lah, file new project. Then after that, here you just provide, what is the name again? Experiment what? Experiment drop down list, right? Experiment drop down list, and underscore what? Data binding concept. Okay. Now then after that, when I say please lah, wow, so how come right that I cannot code C# one? Make sure when you create the project, it is under the C# category. You don't go and select Visual Basic lah, okay? Make sure it is ASP.NET Web Application. Make sure the name is okay. Make sure you save it in the correct folder location. Make sure you click OK button. Can or not? Okay, now, so for this playlist, notice that it focuses on this web project, and at the same time, if you have followed through the instruction inside the playlist, you should have a web form called frm dropdown list underscore department.aspx, and it should actually demonstrate a nice drop down list that allows you to go and select the department records. Okay, right? And this one, you should actually have a add staff web form that allows you to go and add staff record. Now, so what is going to happen in this session, right? Why am I keep on emphasizing that these two playlists are very important? It forms a very strong foundation so that you can appreciate my next lesson better. Very easy. If you take a look at the create staff web form, there is one big problem. I tell you, one big problem, right? This problem is bigger than washing toilet. Alamak. Let me take a look. The problem is, oh my god, the drop down list. Take a look at the drop down list. Is what? It's hard coded. It's hard coded. What does it mean by hard coded? Means that if I don't touch this code for the next 100 years, this drop down list will forever show what? Please select department. Please select sales and marketing. Please select finance. Please select research. Okay. In other words, it's hard coded. You must change the code here. In the future, if I want to go and have new departments, I have to go and type in the code here. And this code, I'm actually going to define a new list item. And this list item, I'm just going to say that, oh my god, department. Right. So in other words, I must actually what? I must actually change the code here. It is hard coded. It is not database driven. That is a no. It must be something like this. It must be something like this. Something like this web form here, right? The other playlist, right? Oh, you see, if I add new records inside the department table, right? For example, this one is a pew. Let's just say this one is GG department. Okay, GG department. What will happen? Wow, shock low. No need to touch code at all. All I need is just to go and refresh. GG department coming up. So the easy, right? Correct or not? So I need to go and in this session, my objective is that I would like to import all these hard work that I have used and experimented in this project. What is the name of this project? Experiment drop down list underscore data binding concept. I need to go and reuse all these hard work that I have applied in the previous lesson onto this current project, which is experiment data management, to improve the web form. This web form, I must improve the drop down list inside this web form so that this drop down list is data driven. Okay, so this is the objective of this session here. You must know the objective in life. Why you need to do it is always more important than how. Thank you very much. Please continue to the next session to see what is supposed to be done to develop this functionality. And also, if you have not gone through the other previous two playlists, you won't be able to appreciate well this session. Thank you very much. Continue. Okay.